Unboxing, pretty exciting stuff. You can see you take the top of the box off of the bottom of the box. It slowly slides off, and it's got two pieces.
What's inside?
The actual Apple TV CPU and the remote control, and inside here is a power cord. Pretty exciting stuff. It's cutting edge, really. Plastic covers all go away. Little pull tab there to release it all. Boom. Same thing for the remote. Little pull tab.
Cute na.
Cute na.
Ang cute ng ano. It's like iPad. Ano?
Everything Apple. Power plugs in. Open the little pull tab again. Around the outside, just like a trailer park girl. Power goes into the power. Pretty simple stuff. HDMI goes into HDMI. Like I said before, this is just literally plug and play. Plug. Maybe if I can figure out. Put it back. We'll just keep it centered in the middle there. Because keeping the cords neat is a sign of a person who is a neat freak. It's definitely not me. Anyway. Need power here. And power here. Power there? Well, we're going to pretend like there's power. Maybe there is. Maybe there isn't. TV, that's got power. And TV's got power. We're just going to push menu. There we go. There we go. We're going to go. So it's just a touchpad on here. We're going to say we are United States. PQRSTU.
Yep.
Boom. Push. This icon appears on an Apple app or feature. You won't see this icon with every feature since Apple only clicks continue. Alright, we would like to use Siri because
So we can just...
we like Siri. Let's set up, use your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch to automatically add your Apple ID and Wi-Fi settings to this Apple TV. So I'm going to use my iPhone. All right?
Okay.
Set up with device. Unlock your iPhone. Unlock. Yep, there's my shell icon. There we go. Connect to a Wi-Fi network. Wi-Fi is connected. Turn on Bluetooth. Bluetooth is on. Hold the device close to this Apple TV. We're setting up. Authentication 773 4. Apple TV is being set up. After making purchase, require password. Additional changes require, never require. We're going to go down to never. Have a TV provider? Once you access all the apps supporting your cable feeds. Where is it? It's in the bedroom. Enable. Oh yeah, we'll automatically download that bad boy. Analytics, always send them to Apple because we want them to get better using our data, share with app developers. Let's agree. There we go. That's all there is to it. So the remote runs pretty much everything. And you can slide down. We can watch iTunes movies, TV shows, whatever we want to watch. Right?
Mm.
So, movies. Check out a movie. So if you want to, we can literally, here's the ones that I've already purchased. We could watch anytime. So we could watch these anytime. Obviously, this one right
YouTube.
here is the best movie that I own.
Warcraft.
Actually, that one's the best one, but whatever. So we can go back.
Your Netflix also is there. Yun. Apple TV notification.
Install. So we'll install all the things.
So it's just a small piece of...
It's basically like a router.
Yeah, it's like a router.
So right now, all it's running off of is Apple and iTunes. The next thing we can do is start connecting to different devices and do mirroring. So we'll show you how to do that here in a minute after we download the apps that we want and have them on here. Okay, so menu is the most important part, and this little thumb tracker thing is like a touchpad. See how it moves things up here? So I can do the
How to? Okay,
and then
go.
we'll screen down to screen mirroring. Where is the one we want? This one's bedroom. Oop. AirPlay code. Enter the bed 8128 8128. Okay.
Once nag-open kayo ng mirroring, the password
There we go.
will appear. So you have to connect
And
there.
it's
So
mirroring.
ayan na po.
All right. There, and then we
Yeah.
can switch, and it just runs. If we run,
If you want to
where's-
open YouTube
if we hit
here
Netflix
from
here,
it's automatic there already, no?
it hooks up there, and then if we want to just watch something, so as you can see, we'll just push whichever one that you
Yeah.
try the Royal Gambler. Escape mode, open the trigger, and then play. And then it'll play.
Oh, I like it.
Just like that. So whatever's playing here, will play there. Best thing to do is have this plugged in at all times.
Yeah.
So it'll be up there. It won't die here because there's a lot of power sending out. So all it's doing is mirroring. Now, like I said before, you can do the same thing up here. Just obviously the internet is being used, so it's already being used to download. So we're overusing our internet connection. That's why it's so slow.
Yeah.
Anyway, that's the example. You can see it's obviously up there running. And you can, once you practice this and play with it a little
Yeah.
bit, you'll get better at it. Okay, so landscape, regular, here. You can check out your photo. Okay, there. You can see the whole. Or landscape, it doesn't really matter, it just fills the whole screen.
Yeah.